Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and on onespotmedia.com. Students at the Gregory Park Primary School have been left shaken after a deadly gun battle between the police and gunmen took place outside the school. The community has seen an increase in crime over the past few weeks. Sandy Williams has the details.
Staff and students at Gregory Park Primary School had to run for cover this morning as police and gunmen traded bullets mere meters away from their classrooms. According to Commanding Officer for the St. Catharines South Police, Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, the police acting on intelligence were patrolling a section of the Gregory Park community when 3 armed men with guns were seen standing in front of a premises. The men ran to the back of the premises and the police gave chase.
Even after they went over the fence at the primary school, the report is that there was a fierce gun battle between them and the police. After that, one man was found suffering from gunshot wound.
Richard Williams is principal of the school.
We treated it as if it was an evacuation drill. So once we heard the gunshots, the teachers it was actually during devotion, so we were having great devotion at the time. So once it started, we quickly got into safety mode. Everybody got down in their classrooms and closed the door, and we stayed there until everything subsided.
A Taurus 9mm pistol and a magazine containing 3 live rounds were recovered from the wounded man, who was later pronounced dead at hospital. The deceased goes by the alias Ras or Penny. SSP Phillips explains that there has been a flare-up of violence in Gregory Park recently.
We're going to continue to focus on Gregory Park in a very targeted way. We understand, having done further assessment of what took place, that they might have been planning a retaliation for a murder that took place a day or 2 ago in that same area.
Even as the police seek to boost its presence in the area, the school is looking to add its own layer of security after the traumatic event.
Based on what occurred, it would be prudent for us to add to that now, to do some razor wire to raise it and include razor wire, and hopefully if we can get some closed circuit TVs, that would be good as well, to make sure that the situation doesn't recur or it minimizes the chance of, when it's fright, people can do anything. So whether razor wire or not, a man will scale a fence just in case, but at least it would prevent or limit the thought of doing so.
In the meantime, Mr. Williams says the Education Ministry will be providing counseling for students and staff on Friday. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.